So you'll see that this will smoke off when I put the zinc in. There we go. Now I've got to use the chute now. Going to use the chute for this one. Sort of face it towards you. There we go. That's the zinc. Oh, here we go, guys. Nordic gold. Let's have a look. Sort of pours like a gluggy type thing. We're going to get 3 bars. We are going to get 3 exactly. Look at that. Couldn't have asked for it any better. It does. It looks like real gold. Hopefully I'll get a nice flat straight one. Oh, there's one. Look at that, people. Look at that Nordic gold. Steaming hot, but look at it. It is getting hot through my glove. Right, there you go. Oh, just enough. There you go.